All right, let's come on back for number quarter today. Mr. M, would you mind putting that away? What is
Look,
that?
I made a pumpkin on my orange.
Oh, it's so cute.
Do you want it?
No thanks. We're not supposed to share. We're trying to be safe. So I'm gonna have you keep that. Why don't you take it out at snack and you can peel his face off.
I think it looks good.
All right, here we go. Today is Tuesday. Nope, Thursday, November 5th. I'm gonna let you take a look at that and show everybody at home. Today is the 5th, and let's take a look. What's going on here? We're seeing the bottom of the card starting to lighten up. There's not stars on the bottom like there was before. Mr. M, do you mind putting that away?
I was looking at the time.
Okay, we're gonna put that away. I will give this back to you at the end of the day. If that happens again, it's gonna go to the office and your mom's gonna have to come and pick it up. All right, let's get back to that. What time do you think it shows right there today, Mr. M?
It says 4 something.
Okay, so can I just help you for a minute? We know
That's a
that
tough one.
that was 30, right? So we know it's 4, and we know it's 30 when the minute hand points to the 6, so we can start here at 30.
30, 35, 40,
40.
440.
440.
440, yes.
And do you think it is still 440? Do you think it's AM? Or do you think it is PM now?
You can't usually see the stars in the day, so I would say it's AM. It's still in the morning.
It's still in the morning. All right, I agree with you. Okay. So, you mind putting that down to the Indian one? Thank you. So here, from November 4th until November 5th, we need to see how much time has gone by. Are you noticing a pattern? Let's look at this for a minute. Are you noticing a pattern yet?
I see it, yes.
Okay, can you tell me what you see, what you notice?
It looks like every time the time changes, 1 hour and 10 minutes go by each time. So each day, an hour and 10 minutes is added to the clock.
I definitely agree with you on that one.
Yes.
So, let's just double check, even though we're noticing the pattern, we notice that here we are, a complete hour has gone by, so now we're at 4. We're at 3:30, so it's 4.
4:30.
4:40.
35, 40.
So that would be 1 hour.
And 10 minutes.
Yep.
Just like the last 3. So the pattern is 1 hour and 10 minutes.
I agree. So like we talked about last time, Mr. M, we don't need to add all the days up. We can go by the total elapsed time and add our new day to it.
So you just got to add a 1 and a 10, and you'll get 4 hours.
So if we are starting with 3 hours,
add 1 to that.
10 minutes. We'll add 1 with what? Let's make sure we're keeping track of our units. What is
That's 3 hours and 30 minutes.
Oh, you're right. Thank you. But thank you for noticing that. So we're going to add the 1.
Tried to trick me.
So we have the 1 hour. You keep saying 1. Let's make sure we're keeping track of the unit. It's 1 hour.
1
and
hour.
We're going to add the
10 minutes.
Yep. So if this has a numbered sentence, this is what it looks like.
So it's 4 hours and 40 minutes.
4 hours.
It's the same pattern, 1 hour and 10 minutes.
So we know there are 60 minutes in an hour. Are we up to a full hour in that 40 minutes yet?
Not yet.
So here I'm going to ask you a little brain teaser, Mr. M. How many minutes do we need to gain to get to a new hour?
Well, that's easy because you just have to go to 60 minutes to make another hour. So if you count by 10, you can say 50, 60. So that's 10, 20 minutes.
Good, you did it.
20 minutes, yes.
4 hours and 40 minutes is the total elapsed time. Have you ever heard that term before, elapsed time?
No. What does that mean?
It's the total amount of time between another amount of time. So why would it be important to know the elapsed time? Mr. M, have you ever traveled?
Yes, I went to the store a couple times last week.
So if you were going to the store and your mom said to be home in 10 minutes, but she noticed you had actually been gone 25 or 30 minutes, she would have been keeping track of the elapsed time. How much time has gone by?
Yeah, she always does that. And then I lose my video games because I'm late.
Well,
And it's not my fault, because my sister was slow walking, and then she didn't want to leave the store.
oh, well,
Well,
I don't know what to tell you.
I don't
Maybe
know.
you should go by yourself.
I need a new sister.
Well, I wish I could help you with that one. All right, that's it for today.